In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just looking to sharpen your workflow, this will give you a clear, reliable way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. First, place your cursor anywhere you can type in Notion. This could be inside a note, a to-do item, or even a meeting agenda. Type remind followed by a date, a time, or natural language. For example, you can write remind today or remind next Wednesday at 1 p.m. Notion understands everyday phrasing, so keep it simple and conversational. This makes it fast to capture reminders in the moment without breaking your flow. Once you've typed your reminder, press enter. You'll see it convert into a blue reminder tag. That blue tag means your reminder has been created successfully and is now attached to that specific line or block. It's lightweight, flexible, and stays right where you need it. If you need to refine the details, just click the blue tag. This opens a date window where you can adjust the date and time, set an alert before the event, or tweak the time zone if you're traveling or collaborating across regions. Taking a moment to set a pre-event alert is a great way to build in a buffer, perfect for prep time before a call or a heads up before a deadline. If your schedule changes, don't delete the reminder. Simply click the tag again and update it. This keeps your history intact and your context in place. Here's a simple visual cue to remember. When the scheduled time has passed, the reminder tag will turn red. That's your sign that the time has elapsed. From there, you can mark the task done. Reschedule it by clicking the tag and choosing a new time, or leave it as a record of what was due. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Use clear phrases when you type, @remind, so Notion can parse the date correctly. If you notice the time zone isn't what you expect, open the tag and confirm it, especially if you're working with teammates in different locations. And don't be afraid to keep reminders in line with your notes. Having context next to the reminder often boosts follow-through. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.